Power gone when you need it most? Imagine never sitting in darkness again. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 best emergency solar generators for home. Reliable, powerful, life-saving backups. Stay with me to find your perfect pick and grab yours through the links in the description. Let's secure your home today. On number 5 is Pulsar 2300 watts. What if a blackout hits tonight? Are you really prepared? The Pulsar 2300 watts instantly feels like that missing layer of security every home needs. Power that matters. 2300 peak watts and 1800 running watts keep essentials alive when the grid fails. Clean energy delivery ensures your sensitive devices stay safe. No flickers, no fear. And here's the relief. Up to 7 hours on just 0.95 gallons means longer peace of mind. It's compact, quiet, and easy to handle, solving the biggest problem people face: unreliable backup during emergencies. Compared with others, it balances portability and performance beautifully, though it's not for heavy whole home loads. Still, for smart everyday backup, absolutely worth it. Would you trust this during an outage? Let's go deeper. At number 4 is Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2. Ever wondered if your home could survive a sudden blackout without missing a beat? The Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2 turns that worry into confidence. Delivering 2,000 watts output and 3,000 watts peak with a 1,024 watt-hour capacity, it powers up to 10 devices simultaneously. Perfect for emergency readiness, remote work setups, or tiny home living. Ultra-fast recharging in just 1.8 hours with solar makes it a game-changer compared with others that take much longer, giving peace of mind when every minute counts. Compact, 14% smaller and 11% lighter, it's surprisingly portable without compromising reliability. Built to last 10 years with InfiniPower, it keeps essentials running safely with under 10 millisecond UPS switchover. While a high price at US dollars may be a consideration, for anyone valuing safety, smart preparedness, and consistent backup, this is a top-tier choice worth serious attention. Would you feel secure with this at home? On number 3 is Dabbsson DBS2300 Plus. Imagine losing power during a storm. Are you truly prepared to keep your home running safely? The Dabbsson DBS2300 Plus turns that fear into confidence with 2,200 watts output and 4,400 watts surge, capable of powering almost every essential device, from laptops to power tools. Its pure sine wave technology ensures safe, stable electricity, and the industry-leading lithium ferrophosphate batteries with UL94V0 fireproof rating offer unmatched safety compared with others, giving real peace of mind. Compact yet powerful, it handles long outages efficiently and even supports parallel connection up to 4,000 watts. While the price of US dollars may seem high, the relief, security, and smart emergency preparedness it provides make it a solid investment. For anyone valuing safety and reliable home backup, this is a truly compelling choice. Would you trust your home to this? At number 2 is Segway Portable Power Station. Imagine facing a sudden blackout. Would your home really stay powered and safe? The Segway Portable Power Station Cube 1000 proves that peace of mind is possible. Delivering 2,200 watts AC, expandable up to 4,400 watts with the R drive function, it powers everything from laptops to essential appliances effortlessly. Its lithium ferrophosphate battery lasts over 4,000 cycles, and with IP56 rated durability and magnesium alloy shell, it stands up to tough conditions, offering unmatched reliability compared with others. Ultra-fast recharging, 1,000 watt-hours in just 1.2 hours via AC or 800 watts solar, keeps your devices running without worry. While the price of US dollars is notable, The combination of high performance, expandability, and rugged dependability makes it an ideal choice for anyone seeking safe, smart, and long-term home backup. Would you feel secure knowing your essentials won't fail? Now moving to the last one is EF EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. What if your power went out right now? Would your home survive without stress? The EF EcoFlow Delta 2 Max transforms that uncertainty into complete confidence. With 2,400 watts output and up to 3,400 watts in X-Boost mode, it powers nearly every household appliance effortlessly, giving peace of mind during blackouts. The upgraded lithium ferrophosphate battery delivers 3,000 cycles until it reaches 80% capacity, far surpassing industry norms, while ultra-fast charging gets 80% in just 43 minutes, combining AC and solar. Expandable capacity from 2 kilowatt-hours to 6 kilowatt-hours means you can customize energy for your needs, and quiet operation keeps your home calm, unlike noisier alternatives. At US dollars, it's an investment in safety, reliability, and smart preparedness, ideal for anyone who refuses to compromise on home backup. Would you trust this to power your life? If I had to choose a winner among these top 5 emergency solar generators for home, it's the EF EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. Why? It combines unmatched power, 2,400 watt output with 3,400 watt X-Boost, with ultra-fast charging and expandable capacity up to 6 kilowatt-hour. Its lithium ferrophosphate battery lasts 3,000 cycles, far beyond industry norms, and it operates quietly, making home life stress-free during blackouts. For reliable, safe, and customizable emergency backup, this is the ultimate choice for smart preparedness. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best emergency solar generator for home. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.